back, Bears. I'm Joslynn reporting for BTV. Today is Friday, May 12th, and only 14 days remain in the school year. Today is Spirit Day for our Bears Varsity Track team, members who qualified for the state track meet. Let's wish lots of luck for the state meet tomorrow in Austin. Clearing 7 feet, Armando Acevedo tied a season best mark in the high jump to win gold and make it to state. Running 13.64 seconds in 110-meter hurdles, Kyrie Wilson broke his school record, finishing second at regionals, while Kayla Lyons ran 2 minutes, 13.55 seconds in the 800-meter dash, and also finishing second. Both will compete at the state meet. BFND Bears. Bears, time is running out if you need attendance recovery. You can make up hours in the LGI Tuesdays and Thursdays from 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. until May 18th. There are also 4-hour sessions on May 13th and May 20th from 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Attendance recovery is also available with your teachers during their tutoring times. Remember, you can only have 9 absences for a semester course and 18 absences for a year-long course. Teachers, show off your gaming skills at the Student versus Teacher Double Elimination Tournament on Tuesday, May 16th, 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. in C212. Bears, sign up to battle teachers by using this QR code or email ernasanchez@nasd.net. We know you're ready to turn in your Chromebooks. Well, everyone will do so next week during your English classes. Freshmen will turn in their laptops on Monday and sophomores on Tuesday, May 16th. Makeup Day is on Wednesday, May 17th. Next Thursday, May 18th, juniors will return their Chromebooks, and seniors return them on Friday, May 19th. So get ready by cleaning and removing stickers and checking for damage. And be sure to bring in your power chargers when you return the laptops. Bears, get ahead by taking a class this summer. Reach out to your counselor to sign up. There are 2 sessions, June 12th through the 27th and June 28th through July 13th. There's a cost though. It's $150 per half credit, and you can earn a max of 1 credit. Use this QR code to contact your counselor. Bears, if you're interested in taking a once-in-a-lifetime trip to Japan, English teacher Jesse Rodriguez will hold a meeting on May 23rd at 6:30 p.m. to provide details that include the itinerary, dates for summer of 2025, cost of this trip, and also mark the official opening of enrollment. There are limited spots on this tour. Attend the meeting for all the details. For more information, email jesse.rodriguez@nasd.net. Did you know it's Shark Week in our aquatic science classes? Students begin the fish unit, moving from discussion to dissection to learn about shark anatomy and adaptations. Hope it's not too smelly in there. I'm sure students appreciate Coach Shelley Strickland, plus fellow teachers Patricia Pickering, Nicole Kane, and Andrew Pope, keeping their minds and especially their senses engaged. Keep on learning. Here's a shout out to all the young ladies who tried out for the cheerleading team, and especially those young ladies, the 2023-2024 Brennan cheerleaders, who will lead the cheering next year. Congrats, ladies. Finally, Bears, here's a huge shout out to our Brennan Choir and Culinary Arts programs for the fantastic support to our teachers. Choir sang their hearts out for teachers during the 3 lunches, while Culinary prepared a delicious spaghetti and meatballs meal. Take a look.
Okay, I hope all the teachers enjoyed the lunch, and we're very happy to serve you.
Well, this is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears. And if you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. If you have any announcements for BTV, please email Mr. Cerna at fernando.cerna@nasd.net. I'm Joslynn, signing off from BTV. Remember, Bears, your success hinges heavily on your positive mindset, so stay engaged in your learning. Poet Maya Angelou was correct when she says, "Nothing will work unless you do." Have a great day, Bears.
This is a BTV production.